If you would like to delete a YouTube video, then stay tuned. Watch this video all the way to the end as I reveal all. Hi there, David Walsh here once again from davidwalshonline.com, your place to grow your business using YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your own YouTube video from YouTube. But before I do, if this is your first time here, make sure to hit the subscribe link and also the notification bell to be notified every time we upload a brand new video to this channel. So you want to delete one of your YouTube videos. Whether you've had a dodgy haircut, the clothes you're wearing are definitely no longer in fashion and you want to burn them all, or you've broken up with your other half whose tattoo you had put across your forehead. Whatever the reason, I'm going to help you delete that video now. So let's head on over to the old trusty computer as I show you how. Okay, so here we are on the old YouTube. So we go up to the top, click on YouTube Studio Beta. And when we're in here, then we go to videos on the left hand side. So you have your list of videos here. So you just find out what video that you want. Click on the little three dots right here, your options, and then click on delete. Now you might want to download it beforehand, but if not, you just click on delete. Check the box, I understand that deleting the video is going to be permanently gone, and then click on delete video. If you are in Creator Studio Classic, then it is a bit more easier than that. So you're in Classic, you go to videos on the left hand side and then you find the video, click on the drop down and then click on delete. Again, it'll tell you permanently delete your video, you can't undo this, then click on the delete button. Now if you want to delete this off your phone, let's head on over to the phone as I show you how to do it there. Okay, so we're going to open up the YouTube Studio app. Scroll down to the videos area, click on view more, then select the video that you want to delete, click on that, then go to the pencil icon on the top, then on the right of the pencil there's a little gear, so in there you have the option at the bottom that says delete from YouTube. Click on that, click delete from YouTube again, and your video has been deleted. So there you go, that's how you delete your video from YouTube, whether you're on desktop or on a mobile device. Now I'd love to know why you've deleted one of your videos off your channel. Give me a good giggle, let me know in the old comments area below. I'd love to know your reasons. And as always, if you've got a question about this or anything else to do with YouTube, make sure to pop that also in the old comments area below, and I'll do the best I can to help you get that question answered. And if you're not a subscriber, make sure to click on the link somewhere here and hit the notification bell to be notified every time we upload a video. Also hit one of these bad boys here to learn more how to grow your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and I look forward to seeing you on another video soon. Bye for now.